short legs on long walks. Today we're hiking the trails of Chipman Preserve. Sophie and Z. In the parking lot there are two entrances. There's one to the right and then there's one to the left. In our previous travels we figured out that it always seems to be better to go clockwise. So we went to the left. This is Saturday, November 21st, 2020. Welcome to our first YouTube video, hiking the trails of Chipman Preserve. This is a hidden gem. We will definitely be coming back to this preserve. Lots to see. You can tell it's definitely going to look different during the different seasons. Well, I think that's the association building, or that's another trail off that way. Whichever way you want to go. You gotta have one of those in there, you know. Right. So some of the videos we watch, you're like, this guy's probably do like twice the amount of the trail that they're actually doing, because they'll set up those shots where they're like way up and they'll walk up to the camera, or they'll set it up behind them and walking away from the camera, and then have to go back and get the camera, of course, you know. Yeah.
Alright, here's our first post.
Yeah, there's supposed to be all kinds of different...
So we're on the prairie trail, it looks like.
The nursery is over there.
Yeah.
They all loop back around. I mean,
right.
I can tell you where. I've got the map on my phone.
See, and then there's parking.
I say we keep going that way.
Huh?
I say we keep going that way. I think, yeah.
And hit one.
Yeah. So I think this goes like way out. This one goes.
Then we'll go out and up.
Yeah, and then back down. And around.
We'll go up by the airport, right?
Yeah. That's the furthest point out. She peed there, I gotta pee there.
What happened with that?
Oh, that's crazy. Like mold or something.
Boundary private property. The nursery is not pointing that way, so we should kind of head up this way.
If you have any advice for us in shooting these videos, like I said, this is our first one we've shot. It's a learning process, and I'd like to get better at it. So if you have any comments or questions or anything, or if you want to know about this trail, comment below.
They weren't lying when they said there's tons of little trails off of everything.
Yeah. Well, I think that's what's
Yeah.
The thing I really liked about this preserve was there was so many trails going off. You could make your own adventure and go out there every time and have a totally different experience. Especially when the seasons start changing, I couldn't help but walking around, and this is in November. This place is going to look so different in the springtime, the summertime, like every season. There's going to be noticeable changes as you're walking around.
really.
I'm pretty sure if he peed on her. Get that?
Yep. I'll go back and review the video. It's really pretty.
You went rolling on the floor.
She's like, Z peed on me, I had to wipe it off. Yeah, well that's what was cool when I was looking at the maps, is like there's totally different like kind of habitats. That's where they have like the prairie and the, yeah. They got all those bird houses out there, like hummingbird houses. So. All right.
Well, it's pus coming out, but look at the others.
Just old turkey tails. Not go too far because the back end of it is at the property, but we're pretty close, so we should be hitting the regular trail.
Buddy, why did you stop? I'm gonna step on you, Z-Dog.
Right about here, I learned a lot of lessons. My camera battery started dying, so I had to do some shooting with my phone camera. Here they had all these plaques of the different habitats that were in the nature preserve, which are all very informative. My sister thought she'd seen a coyote up on the hill right after my camera battery died. And this is about the end of the video I had left.
Rolling pines.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button. We'd like to do more of these videos. Thanks for watching.